Well, big news coming in on the Rajasthan developments, and the Rajasthan Speaker has now moved the Supreme Court in the matter concerning the notices that had been issued to Sachin Pilot and other rebel MLAs. And the Rajasthan Speaker has now asked for a stay on the High Court proceedings. Remember, a deadline had been given to Sachin Pilot and other MLAs to come before the Speaker and answer the show cause notices that had been issued to them. But before that, Sachin Pilot and the rebel MLAs had moved the High Court in the matter, due to which the Speaker was asked to then delay his action. And the Rajasthan High Court yesterday said it will give its final verdict on Friday. So this morning, Speaker CP Joshi announced that he would be moving the Supreme Court. Well, let's go across to Vaidya for more details. Vaidya, so that has now happened. The Rajasthan Speaker has moved the Supreme Court. Give us details of his plea.
The first point, actually, yes, Rajasthan Assembly Speaker has moved the Supreme Court just a few minutes ago. And of course, the petition, I'm just going through the petition, it's a little lengthy. But the crux of the petition is High Court cannot interfere in Speaker's notice, and it has no rights as per the Supreme Court order. Basically, two things the Speaker says. One, you stay the yesterday's order. Yesterday, the High Court said that asking the Speaker to defer his decision till Friday. And second important point is stay the proceedings in the High Court. So Speaker wants only stay, and second is stay of the proceedings, which basically means the High Court should not deliver its verdict on Friday till the Supreme Court decides the powers of the speakers. So this is the main issue. So the Speaker doesn't want the High Court to deliver the judgment, and he wants the proceedings to be stayed. Not only that, even the High Court's order yesterday directing the Speaker to defer his decision till Friday. This is very important, and also lawyers have told NDTV saying that they would be trying their level best to request the Chief Justice to take up the case today itself, so that the court can pass some sort of interim orders.
Right, Vaidya, so this, this morning CP Joshi addressed a press conference where he also spoke about this constitutional crisis. He said, I have not taken a decision, and that according to, earlier Supreme Court verdicts and the 1992 verdict, etc., that the power lies with the Speaker right now. He's issued this show cause notice. The rebel MLAs have not replied to it. So he questioned, how can the High Court interfere in this matter? How could Sachin Pilot and all move the High Court to intervene in this matter and delay the Speaker's decision? So that really is the crux of it, isn't it?
Exactly. In fact, even the lawyers as well as Congress Whip as well as the Speaker argued the same points. So even in the press conference, he basically said that, number one, High Court or any other court cannot interfere when the Speaker issues notice, because is a constitutional authority. Courts can interfere or come in to rescue for the other side only when the Speaker takes his. Nothing has been taken. Why they should presume that it's going to be disqualification? Whereas, of course, the other side, Sachin Camp argued in the court saying that it's a foregone conclusion. He will disqualify us, so he can't issue notice. It's not anti-party activities. That's what the High Court is supposed to decide on Friday. But before that, Speaker wants the Supreme Court to stay the proceedings and also stay yesterday's order passed by the High Court.